Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to prepare this delicious Jamaican fruit cake. Now, let us bake. Okay guys, so here we have all our ingredients for our Jamaican fruit cake. Over here we have our flour, sugar, our blended fruits. I have my eggs here. This is my browning. I have my baking powder. This is rose water and almond extract, and this is vanilla extract. And here we have our butter all ready to be whipped. Guys, I will be sure to list all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description below, so please be sure to check all that out. Okay guys, so first I'm gonna be blending my butter and my sugar. We're gonna cream all this together. And we're gonna whip it until it's light and fluffy. So I'm going to be scraping the sides of the mixing bowl just so that everything is well combined. Now it's time to add our egg. Now I'm going to be adding my eggs one at a time, just so that it's easier to disperse the liquid. Now you want to go ahead and scrape the sides of your mixer once more. Now you want to whip it for an additional 2 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Now guys, I'm adding my browning, and as you guys can see, it's going to be changing the color of that butter mixture. Now guys, we're going to be scraping the sides of that mixing bowl again, very important. Then guys, it's time to add my fruits. You guys don't have to add your fruits at this moment. You guys can go ahead and add your fruits after you add your flour, but I like doing this method. Now guys, for the blended fruits, I will be sure to list all the ingredients, guys, not just for the blended fruits but the entire recipe. You can check that out down in the description below. Now guys, as you can see, the texture of that batter is changing. You guys don't even have to worry about that. Your cake is gonna come out amazing regardless. We're gonna move on to our flour. I'm adding the baking powder to our flour, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and I'm just gonna combine everything together. Now you want to pour in your flour a little at a time, and you just want to fold in that flour in that mixture, guys. So guys, for my flour, I prefer to use cake flour because that results in a lighter cake. I love my fruit cake to be really light. I'm not really a big fan of the dense fruit cakes. So yeah, but if you guys prefer the more traditional dense fruit cake, you guys can go ahead and use bread flour or cake flour, and it'll taste delicious regardless. No matter the flour you guys use, only the texture I guess will change if you prefer to use a cake flour. Okay. Now I'm gonna be adding another cup of blended fruits, and you're just gonna fold that in. Now you want to pour the batter into your prepared baking tin. Now in a preheated oven at a temperature at 350 degrees, you want to bake your cake for roughly about 1 hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours, depending on the oven that you guys have. So guys, my cake were in the oven for 1 hour and 50 minutes, and this is how it looks after. So you want to soak your cake with wine and allow it to cool. Now this is a final product, guys. I loved the texture of the cake. It wasn't too dense, it wasn't too light, it was just in between. It was just perfect for me, you know. I love how it turned out, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If I don't, happy holidays to all you guys. See you next year. Bye.